Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to improve your credit score with Credit Karma. Credit Karma is a great tool to monitor your credit, but it doesn't directly improve your score on its own. It provides you with the information and tools to take action. To improve your credit score, you need to focus on the key factors that influence it. First, your payment history is the most important factor. Use Credit Karma to track your accounts and make sure you're paying all your bills on time, every time. You can set up alerts to remind you of due dates. Next is credit utilization. This is the amount of credit you're using compared to your total credit limit. A low utilization rate, ideally below 30%, is best for your score. You can see your utilization on Credit Karma and work on paying down balances to lower it. Third, look for errors on your credit report. Credit Karma gives you access to your reports from 2 major credit bureaus. If you find any inaccuracies, like a late payment that was actually on time or an account you don't recognize, you can dispute it directly through the platform. Correcting these errors can boost your score. Finally, consider the age of your credit accounts and your credit mix. Don't close old accounts, as this can shorten your credit history. And having a mix of different types of credit, like a credit card and a loan, can also be beneficial. Credit Karma's tools and insights can help you understand all these factors and make a plan to improve your credit health. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.